Hi, everyone.
Hello, everybody.
I've interrupted Mom in her art studio because I wanted to talk about what we're going to make today. It is called Pavochon. Do you know what that is?
No.
What do you think it sounds like?
It's like a lechon, but with turkey.
Right. And do you want to explain to them what lechon is?
Well, lechon is a roasted pork with a marinade of garlic and citrus.
Right. It's very traditionally Cuban. They have it in a lot of places in Miami. I always say this. They have it in a lot of places in Miami, but it's true. And it is made with this mojo marinade. And I decided I'm going to do a turkey like that. And it is called Pavochon because pavo means...
turkey.
That's right. So let's get started. So here in Miami, the holidays are taken pretty seriously, and lechon is always made on Christmas Eve. And lechon is actually a roast suckling pig. And if you're really authentic, you get what's called a cajachina, which is Chinese box, or you make a pit in your backyard and you roast a whole suckling pig. You know what? That's not that easy. We're just going to make a turkey breast, as in putting it in the oven. No shovel or Asian box needed. Turkey breasts can get a bit dry, but we came up with a way to keep it moist and delicious, and also have the same flavorings that lechon usually has. It all starts with the marinade. The mojo marinade is readily available in the supermarket here. I like Badia's, so I'm going to buy that. But here are the ingredients and instructions for the homemade version. 1 cup of juice from fresh oranges, half a cup of lemon juice, 8 chopped up garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it all up as you would a vinaigrette. Use half of it to marinate the turkey breast overnight in the refrigerator. Reserve the other half to use after the turkey is baked. In it goes to a 450-degree oven for 10 minutes. Then lower the heat to 350 and let it roast for 50 more minutes.
Here it is.
I tin foil over the turkey and let it rest for 15 minutes. While the turkey is resting, slice 1 onion and saute the onion in some olive oil in a large saute pan. Explain to us what you're doing.
Saute the onions, and my eyes are burning. I'm getting tears in my eyes.
There must be a country song about that.
I got tears in my eyes with the onions in the nose. Let's go.
Add the mojo marinade and saute a bit more. Add the turkey slices just until they're coated and warmed through.
This turkey's gonna go with white rice and black beans.
And that's it! So yummy! A flavorful turkey breast. Enjoy! Bon appetit!